Morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss question answers of chapter 5 The Summit Within. But before that I will tell you moral of this chapter. In our life we face many difficult situations, but we have to overcome these difficult situations which are inside us. The situation is not difficult. Only you have to overcome the fear, the anxiety that is created in your mind. It is important to summit within rather than outside. Now question 1. What are the three qualities that played a major role in author's climb? Answer. The three qualities that played a major role in the author's climb are endurance, persistence and willpower. Endurance means ability or strength to continue. Persistence means continuing to do something in spite of difficulty, and willpower means the ability to control your thoughts and actions in order to achieve something. Question 2. Why is adventure, which is risky, also pleasurable? Answer. Mountain climbing is a great adventure but is also risky. Although adventure is risky, it is pleasurable too. Climbing a mountain is a great challenge filled with difficulties, but overcoming those hurdles boosts the confidence. There is a great sense of joy and fulfillment for being able to climb such greater heights. It gives immense joy to the doer, to the climber. Question 3. What does it about Mount Everest that the author found irresistible? Answer. Mount Everest attracted the author because it is the highest, the mightiest. Being one of the mightiest and highest mountains in the world, Mount Everest has its own special charm and beauty. Many attempts have been made to climb it. Every ounce of one's energy is utilized in climbing the mountain covered with rock and ice. Question 4. What were the symbols of reverence? Symbols of reverence means symbols of respect left by members of the team of Everest. Answer. The author H.P.S. Ahluwalia left an image of Guru Nanak on Everest. Rawat left a picture of Goddess Durga. Fu Dorji left a relic of Buddha, and as a Christian, Edmund Hillary buried a cross under the rock. These were all tokens of devotion to heaven. Now the last question, question 5. What, according to the writer, did his experience as an Everester teach him? The experience of having conquered Mount Everest changed him completely. It made him realize his own smallness. It made him understand his own smallness. The huge view below made him feel little and modest. Modest means humble. So this was all about question answers of this chapter. Thank you.